Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through using the Pure dating app. Pure is very different from Tinder or Bumble because it focuses entirely on anonymity and spontaneity. This guide will be a bit different because Pure blocks screen recording, so I will walk you through the interface step by step. Let's jump right into it. Before we start, you need to know why you can't screenshot this app. If you try screen recording or take a screenshot inside Pure, the app will either generate a black screen or notify the other user immediately. Pure is built for privacy. Chats self-destruct and photos cannot be saved. If you are trying to show this app to a friend, you will literally have to show them your phone screen in person because digital sharing is blocked. Pure doesn't have profiles that sit there forever. It uses personal ads that expire. When you log in, you won't see a feed of people immediately. To see others, you must post an ad first. Tap the Create Ad button. You need to upload a photo where you can blur your face and write a short description of what you are looking for right now. This ad stays live for only 1 hour. After that, it disappears and you become invisible again unless you repost it. Once your ad is live, you unlock the feed. You will see a grid of other users who are online right now and looking for something. Unlike swiping left or right, you simply scroll through the ads. If you see someone you like, tap the heart or like button on their ad. If they like you back, a chat opens immediately. Note for male users, you typically need a paid subscription to send likes or start chats, whereas it is often free for female users. The chat system is designed to force you to meet up or move on. Once you match, the chat timer starts. You usually have 24 hours to talk. If you don't talk enough or disable the timer, the chat will self-destruct and disappear forever. Any photos sent in the chat expire immediately after viewing, so pay attention. There is no history to look back on. Once it's gone, it's gone. Since this is an anonymous app, safety is key. Use the video chat feature within the app before meeting anyone to verify they are real. Never move to WhatsApp or Snapchat too quickly. Keep the chat in Pure until you are sure. If you see a scam alert from the app, take it seriously. Pure is very aggressive about banning bots. And that's it. You are now ready to navigate the fast-paced world of Pure. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.